Hey man, it's your boy Big Ab, the car guy, man. Listen, I know you know what today is. It's nothing but Truck Thursday. That's right, it's Truck Thursday. Where at? It's at Max Quality Auto. Phone number 225-412-4319, 7660 Florida Boulevard, Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Listen, it's Truck Thursday. What do you want? If it's a Dodge, I've got a Dodge. Excuse me, they call them Rams now. If it's a Ford, I've got the Ford. F-150 4x4. What do you want? I got it, baby. It's Truck Thursday. Listen, I've got the Nissan Titan, the 4x4, baby. Listen, power, strength, reliability. I've got the Toyota Tundra again, baby. I keep the Toyotas because I know they're good trucks. On top of that, I got a GMC Sierra. Just the vehicle for you want for all of my American truck lovers. I've got a Sierra, and listen, I can't forget, baby, the Dodge, the Laramie, the big boy. Woo, baby, it's just for you. It's Truck Thursday right here at Max Quality Auto. And then I've got another Tundra, man. You know I'm partial to Tundra. Come see you, boys. Your boy Big Al, the car guy, man. I'm at 7660 Florida Boulevard, Max Quality Auto, man. And guess what? It's Truck Thursday. Come and see me, baby.